Today, I will guide you through the process of setting a thumbnail for a YouTube short video, a task that has posed challenges due to YouTube's limitations in allowing custom thumbnails for short-form content. A Reddit discussion on the matter revealed multiple suggestions. You can select a thumbnail using the YouTube mobile app. Before YouTube thinks it's a short, you can upload a thumbnail. I tried all options, but none provided a solution. Therefore, I decided to conduct an experiment by uploading a video with a timer to find out at what specific time the YouTube algorithm selects a thumbnail. Videos 1 through 5, each lasting 1 minute, had thumbnail selections near the middle. Videos 6 through 9, each lasting 30 seconds, had thumbnail selections near the middle or 1/3 mark. This isn't consistently reliable. I have a definitive solution that works. In order to set a specific thumbnail to a YouTube short, follow these steps. Upload the video and set it as private. I set the video to private because it's just a test. Now go to your channel videos and navigate to Shorts. Now you see what thumbnail the YouTube algorithm picked. In this instance, it's the 16th second. Determine the specific second and replace the video with your thumbnail at that moment. Now I'm going to add a title to the 16th second. And our video with thumbnail is ready. Lastly, upload the video again and delete the old one. When you check again, you'll see the thumbnail you want. And that's it. If you want a specific thumbnail for your YouTube shorts, find the right moment in your video, replace it with your chosen thumbnail, re-upload the video, and delete the old one. This way, you can make sure your video looks exactly the way you want it to. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more informative and educational videos.